Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 4th August 2026. The government is set to introduce the Taxation and Other Laws Amendment Bill 2026, extending tax incentives for electronics manufacturing, easing rules for foreign investment funds, and offering relief for REITs, InvITs, data centers, and sovereign debt investors. The proposed changes aim to boost investment, strengthen supply chains, and make India's tax regime more business-friendly. Indian banks are raising significant dollar funds offshore to boost foreign currency deposits. Global banks are actively arranging these dollar bond and loan deals for Indian lenders. This fundraising effort aims to attract capital from non-resident Indians worldwide. The Reserve Bank of India's measures are fueling this increased demand for dollar debt. Indian banks could raise nearly $43 billion through offshore loans by 2026. India has proposed tax law amendments to shield offshore investment funds from Indian tax liabilities when they route investments through India-based fund managers, a draft bill showed. The proposed change comes as the country faces significant foreign outflows, prompting the government to take measures to attract overseas investors by easing access. Investors have long complained about aggressive tax administration in India. Several global consumer goods corporations, including prominent players like Apple and Unilever, delivered outstanding results in the June quarter within India. Both companies recorded unprecedented revenues and showcased rapid growth, highlighting that demand has exceeded projections for numerous multinational firms. As these companies pledge ongoing investments and growth in the Indian sector, the country remains a beacon of opportunity despite inflation pressures. The centre will sell up to 6.5% stake in state-run insurance behemoth Life Insurance Corporation or LIC on Tuesday to Wednesday to raise around Rs 31,400 crore at a floor price of Rs 382 per share. The offer for sale or OFS floor price is at a 10% discount to LIC's closing price of Rs 424.35 on the BSE on Monday. The OFS follows LIC's recent issuance of bonus shares in a 1:1 ratio, which made the offer more affordable for a larger section of investors by lowering the per share price. Less than 6 weeks after entering the Unicorn Club, Sarvam AI is set to raise another Rs 700 crore or about $74 million in an extended Series B round led by AI chip maker Nvidia, signaling continued investor confidence in the Bengaluru-based startup as it embarks on building one of the world's largest foundation AI models. The fresh capital comes barely a month after Sarvam announced a $234 million Series B round led by HCL Technologies and Bessemer Venture Partners, with continued backing from existing investors Khosla Ventures and Peak 15 Partners. That round valued the company at over $1 billion, making it India's fifth unicorn this year. With the latest infusion, Sarvam's total funding will rise to nearly $344 million. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.